और इस वीडियो में we will learn how to change light mode to dark mode in MacBook Pro in 2024. Very simple, nothing you have to do, just go to Apple icon on the left side, click on system settings, and on the left side you will see appearance. Under general you can see light, dark and auto. Appearance, there are 3 modes. So in order to change to dark mode you need to select dark, and that's it. And if you want auto version, what it will do, it will be switching to light version in the daytime and the dark version at the sunset, after sunset. So if you want to choose any of these, you can choose. So for the sake of this video, we are doing it dark version, and this is how you do it. Very simple and easy. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to channel. Thanks so much for watching.